Mark Wiens here. I am flying on Korean Air. Their food is actually pretty good. So I have ordered bibimbap, rice with a couple of different toppings, and then you mix it up and it's actually pretty good. So this will be my first airline food video. Okay, so we got lucky this flight and are sitting on the exit row, so we have enough space to make a video about the food. Otherwise it would be a little cramped. But so like I ordered the bibimbap. Oh, got some real nice actual metal silverware. Let me first taste that soup. This is a soybean paste soup. Bibimbap looks like there's some ground beef, a little bit of mushroom, some bean sprouts, maybe cucumber, and maybe a little bit of melon or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna first open up my hot, fresh rice. And then that rice. It's like a little tube of toothpaste, but it's the Korean red chili paste, sweet paste that has awesome flavor. So you open it up and then I gotta get it all out of there. That is the awesome flavor of this dish. And then also there's a little packet of sesame oil that gives the bibimbap some really good fragrance and a really good sesame flavor to it. You just start mixing it up sort of like a fried rice that's not fried. Okay, I'm ready to take a bite now. Even though it's not that well mixed, I'm just gonna take a bite right now. Very good. That's pretty good. You can never go wrong with that red Korean chili paste and that sesame oil. A little bit of red wine. This is pretty good airplane food. If you ever fly Korean Air, be sure to order the bibimbap. They have a couple of other choices, but this is definitely the best. Not bad at all.